An interaction meeting with the community leader and the students leader of both Kuki as well as Meitei community. After unfortunate and tragic incidents in the Imphal and other parts of the Manipur, we have decided that there should not be any misunderstanding among the citizens of both community living in Shillong and other parts of Meghalaya. So we thought it wise as a preventive step to invite the community leader and the student leader of both community, and we have expressed our concerns towards any kind of mistrust or misunderstanding. Yesterday, a small scuffle took place in the Nongslang area under Lime police station, where some of the youths of one community was targeted by others. But unfortunately, the police rushed to the spot immediately and prevented this incident to further from flaring up. We invited the community leaders of both the communities in the Lime police station, and there they have assured us to maintain peace and order and to overcome any kind of misperception, misunderstanding, mistrust among the leaders of both communities. Today we have invited them in this Naga Darbar halls and just explored the thoughts of their minds. They have shared their concerns with the police, and we have also exchanged certain tips how to go about it after the violent incidents in Manipur. And everybody assured us that we will maintain peace and order, and they also assured us for full cooperation with the police officials. And I'm sure that the peace will be maintained, and whatever existing relationship is there, it will be further strengthened by this interaction. And if need arises, we can go for more such interactions to remove any kind of misunderstanding from their minds.
Any more arrests?
It was a preventive detention, and after executions of the bonds from both they under section 107 and 109 CRPC, we have allowed them to go back, and they assured us, and they have executed bonds for ensuring the peace. So that is why we have not decided to forward them into jail, because it was a minor scuffle and misunderstandings. So I am sure that this kind of misunderstanding will be no more in the city of Shillong, and the peace and order will be prevailed in the Shillong and other parts.
So in like this meeting that you have had,
it was very minor scuffle, misunderstanding, and police reached on the spot immediately, and we counseled them properly. Proper counseling was done, and they also realized their mistake, and they assured us never to take law into their own hands from now onwards. And in good faith, both the community leaders they executed bond, and we have allowed them to go back.
but whether these cases are dropped?
Yes, sir. It will be dropped from prosecution side.
Well, since we know that the government is
where the citizens and the youth of both community are residing, like Happy Valley, like the Nongthmai area is there, Nongslang area is there, Laimukra area is there, and Madanreting area is there, and few other scattered areas where the youth are staying. So in those areas we have already drawn a plan to execute and strengthen the mobile patrolling in those areas.
Total how many areas, such areas are there?
The 6 areas we have identified, and rest some educational institutions, like many students are studying in Nehu. So we are in touch with the administration of the Nehu also, and so far no problem, and we are not visualizing much problems here. We have shared our contact number with all the community and students leader, and assured them if any problem, please don't take law into your own hands. We are with them for any kind of help, and they are free to contact.
Last night, because of this minor incident, as you mentioned, some local darbar including organize this kind of meeting. Why not invite them?
We can invite them also. This is a very, very preliminary interaction meeting. We will organize more such meeting, inviting the concerned, the Rongba Shillong, Darbar Shillong also. And Honorable Chief Minister has already appealed to all sections of the society, including community leaders, to help us in maintaining peace and order here. And they should not take law into their own hands.
Thank you.